Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do an Adina's Jewels haul video. I did another jewelry one. Why can't I say it? I did another jewelry one. There we go. And I will link that down below for you. It's not Adina's Jewels, but it's a different brand. I'll also link it on the screen for you probably at the end. This is my package. Came in a nice little envelope. Rip it off basically, and it's a zipper, so very cool. You can repackage it if you want, but of course I'm gonna throw this away once I do this video. And the other side of this has your shipping label, which of course I'm not gonna show that. All y'all know where I live. Inside of the package is a box with the jewels that has a ribbon on the end, which I couldn't get it back how I had it. I have taken a peek at it, so it's not really an unboxing. I would say it's more of a haul video, because I have looked at everything in here. I'm waiting on one item to ship. It's a custom item. I got a rhinestone necklace. I'll show that in a future video. For now, I'm just gonna dive into what I got this time and in this order. First, we have a Herringbone Choker. What I love about their packaging is that it tells you on the back what it is before you open it. And it also comes in a little pouch. I am going to switch lenses because I think the micro lens works way better for these because it shows the jewelry up close and personal. Just realized my camera was not recording when I tried on everything. So I have some pieces on already, so I'm going to share with you what I got from Adina's Jewels. Up close, I have no idea where my camera cut off at. So I have the Herringbone Choker in rose gold. This is the Herringbone Choker in rose gold up close. I also have it in gold. This is the Herringbone Choker in gold, and I ordered this from Adina's Jewels as well. And this is the color in comparison. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm gonna make it slightly looser than that one just so you can see. I might make it tighter because I think that one's on the tightest. Just so you can see flexibility. So this is rose gold. This is gold. Just so you can see, you know, the varying lengths and things you can do with it, because it does have a lobster clasp closure where you can adjust it as short or as long as you'd like. While we're on herringbone, I also got an anklet. This is the Herringbone Anklet in gold. Exact same principle. It's adjustable, has a lobster clasp closure. I'll put it on my wrist just to show you how it looks. So this is way loose because I have it on one of the looser ones, but this is what it looks like. High quality. I love how thin it is. Super sexy. It'd be great for ankles. Did show you the Herringbone Choker in gold. I also got that. And then I got the Herringbone necklace in gold. Now, a couple of you may be wondering, I have another one from Bauble Bar. It does differ. This is the Bauble Bar here. Same concept. Herringbone necklace. Except it's number one, thicker, and number two, the Bauble Bar one is adjustable. It has a lobster clasp closure. However, with the Adina's Jewels one, there is no lobster clasp. You're pretty much stuck with the length that you have, which is a pretty decent length because there's no adjustability here. None. So as you can see, it hangs pretty nicely on the neck. So I don't think I need to lengthen it, but it is great to have another option for one that is adjustable. Next, I have some ear cuffs to show you. So the one at the top, let's see what that is. That is the heart open ear cuff. That's the one all the way up here. It does have a heart. I think it's intended to be worn on the right ear because the heart is facing upside down. However, I don't mind that. This is it up close. Really hope my ears are clean because y'all are all up on them. I also got the twist rope ear cuff. That's the gold one here. There's this one. And then the third one I got is the Bella ear cuff, which is rose gold. The previous two were in gold. There's that one there. It has little rhinestones in the center. And it's very thin compared to the other two. Last thing I have to show you is the chunky Cuban chain ring. This is also in gold. This is very disappointing. I got the size 8 to 9. I love the design. I love the way it goes all the way around. There's no opening, so it doesn't look cheap. It literally goes all the way around. I got a size 8 to 9, but it does not fit on the finger I wanted it to. I'm normally a size 8 on my middle finger. That's where I wanted to wear it. And it does slide all the way down, but my fingers have to be really moist or, you know, moisturized. I'm gonna try to force this on there. I had trouble getting it off last time, that's why I shouldn't do this, but I don't care. It's the finger I want to wear it on, so it's kind of disappointing that it doesn't fit. I think that's good, but that's the finger I want to wear it on. But I love it. It's a size 8 to 9, but for your regular size, please size up. please take my advice on that, because your regular size will not work. I wear a size 8, like I said, and this is 8 to 9, so I figured it might be a little loose, so it'll definitely fit. Not the case. I think it's because chains are thicker and not as flexible as other materials are, but I did slide it all the way down. I'm gonna have trouble getting it off, I just know it. Hopefully I don't have to use like wire cutters to pry it off. I'm gonna be very disappointed. But I'll put on lotion before I do that, which I know you're not supposed to do with this jewelry, but oh well. Hope you guys enjoyed my jewelry haul. Let me know if you guys want to keep seeing things like this. Overall, great selection. I'm just a little disappointed with the ring size. And I'll have to say with this necklace, the fact that it can't be adjusted. I'm stuck with this length, like literally stuck with it. But I'm not stuck because I have another option here if I wanted to adjust it. But it's not the same thickness, diameter, nerd, that, you know, the other one. But yeah, rate the video, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications on. Turn on your post notifications on. Why did I say on twice? Turn on your post notifications. And let me know if you guys have any questions below. All items will be linked in the info box as well. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.